Hello, very good evening. Today we will show you how you can upgrade your Windows 10 into your Windows 11 very quickly and very easily using the Windows settings or Windows upgrade installer tool. The basic approach is very same and similar, and you can very easily upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. This is Windows Tech channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, as you will be updated with the regular tutorials on Windows and how to work with Windows and various features of Windows. So let's begin. Windows 11 is a fantastic, wonderful operating system, and it has many features that makes it more compelling to its predecessors. If you have already upgraded it, fantastic. But if you still haven't upgraded it, you would require to upgrade it, by simply running multiple options, whether it is being Windows settings or Windows upgrade tool installer. I will show you both. Users running Windows 10 can upgrade to Windows 11 in multiple ways. Before you upgrade, though, you might need to first ensure your system is compatible. So do go into your settings and check whether your Windows system is compatible or not. Then come on to your Windows settings and go on to update security option right here at the bottom. Once you go inside the update Windows options, you would be presented to your Windows update panel. Normally, Windows Update will check for your new updates. If it doesn't find any, click on check updates. If this works, it will go online and check for the latest version of Windows 11 and present that version to you. So in my case, this PC can run Windows 11. It will check for the updates, let me know what's happening, and then you can very easily click on it. Microsoft will determine over time if your system is compatible. In case of my system, it was pretty quick, but Windows 11 was not actually offered immediately for a download. If you want to immediately upgrade to, by doing so manually, you can use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So if this option is not available for you at this moment, what you can do is you can go onto Microsoft website. I will show you. So one way of doing it is by checking Windows Update, allowing Windows itself to update your operating systems. So if you are getting this option and you can install it, fantastic, don't need to worry about anything else. However, if you are still having some problem, you might want to go on to the second option. This second option is called by going into Windows official website and downloading the installation assistant. Start by visiting the following link. Link is in the description below. It is for download Windows 11. You can search that on Google as well. However, I've put the link in the description. Scroll down the link and go to something called download now options. Once you click on the download now options, it will download Windows 11 Installation Assistant. This assistant is needed to upgrade your Windows from 10 to Windows 11. Once you download this file, run this file, and it will go and check in your settings, ask you for certain basic options like install and accept and install. We just click on that. Then it will start downloading Windows 11 update automatically to ensure your internet is working perfect. Once the downloading is complete, the installation will begin and your PC might just restart a couple of times. Once this entire process is done, it's just a simple clicks away, nothing to worry about that, very easy standard process. PC will restart and you will find that Windows 11 has been upgraded, as simple as that. So both options are there, whether you can upgrade it from Windows settings or you can download the installation assistant and do it. Hope this explains the process quickly and easily. If you're here for the first time, again, don't forget to subscribe and get updates on Windows and tricks quickly. Thank you for watching.